Good morning friends. Today it's 27th of Jan 2026 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame basis is as follows. This month the index made initially highs of 26,510 before slipping down to the lows of 24,961. Last week it ended at 25,080, down 2.6%. So for this month as a whole, the index is down almost 4.65%. And the weakness continues. The index though ended at around 25,080 mark, any pullback towards 25,500 odd levels will attract fresh round of selling pressure. Till the time the index is trading below 25,500 mark, immediate bias remains range to down with important tug of war at around 24,950 odd levels, followed by lower lows. So for this week as a whole, 24,900 will be important for Nifty futures, trading above which we can expect some kind of pullback, but that pullback need to sustain over and above 25,400, 5,500 mark on a weekly time frame in order to boost sentiment. Else pullbacks are expected to witness fresh round of selling pressure and lower lows can be expected in days to come. Bank Nifty, which ended last week at 58,522 odd levels, it is outperforming Nifty, but last week it ended with a cut of around 2.78%. As per the price study, immediate short-term hurdle on a pullback will be at around 59,200 mark, where we can expect fresh round of selling pressure. The index need to sustain above 59,200, 59,500 mark in order to nullify the ongoing weakness. Else pullbacks are expected to witness selling pressure, and on the lower end it can even retest the supports of 57,200 in days to come. So overall, if we see on a short-term time frame basis, the bias still remains range to down. The only positive which we can see is that the indices have entered into a oversold zone on a short-term time frame basis. If we see the RSI on daily charts, it's currently at 30 odd levels for Nifty, and on a weekly time frame basis it's around 44 levels, and in last 2 to 3 weeks we have seen that the index has corrected from the highs of 26,500 to almost sub 25,000 mark. That's a cut of around 1,500 points in Nifty. So slightly oversold zone is there, but as mentioned, the pullbacks are expected to hold 25,500 mark, else the bias will remain range to down, open for lower lows in days to come. For the day today, the potential trading range for Nifty futures can be between 25,000 and 25,300 mark, with a buy on dip outlook towards 25,000 and sell on rise towards 25 to 90 odd levels, keeping a stop of 50 odd points. For Bank Nifty futures, which ended last week at 58,523, potential trading range for the day today can be 58,250 on the lower end and 58,900 on the higher note, with buy on dip and sell on rise, keeping a stop of 100 odd points. So overall, if the weakness continues, and though we can expect some kind of positive opening today, but the sustainability of the indices at a higher levels will be the crucial factor to watch. Else the market can slip down once again at a lower levels. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.